This is the MSR Guardian Purifier, a robust handheld pump that removes up to 99.99% of viruses and bacteria from even the dirtiest of water, delivering safe drinking water almost anywhere in the world. At MSR, we recognize that the need for safe drinking water isn't exclusive to those in the outdoors. Ensuring your tap water at home is clean and safe is of utmost importance. The Guardian's easy-to-use pump form and compact size make it an excellent addition for homes impacted by a contaminated water supply, or for any at-home emergency preparedness kit. Using the Guardian is incredibly easy. Remove the clean side cover and place the hose in your water source. Position a receptacle underneath, or screw a standard wide-mouth bottle directly onto the Guardian. Pumping water is fast and easy and requires very little energy. With a pump rate of 2.5 litres per minute, you can fill a 1 litre bottle in about 25 seconds. Made in Ireland and originally designed for demanding military use, the Guardian meets rigorous external testing standards. The Purifier's core is comprised of hundreds of straw-like hollow fibres. As water flows into each fibre, microscopic pores physically trap the microbes and dirt, allowing only purified water through. The hollow fibres are incredibly robust and can withstand being dropped and frozen. On every stroke, 10% of the pumped water flushes out contaminants trapped in the fibres through the second hose. This self-cleaning capability allows a single Guardian cartridge to purify up to 10,000 litres before a replacement cartridge is needed, providing an ample supply of clean water even for larger families. The Guardian makes tap water safe to drink during a boil water notice without actually having to boil the water, or when power and fuel are not available. Once you've pumped all the purified water you need, it's ready to be used. That means there's no cool-down period. Your water is immediately ready for all the personal and household activities you carry out daily, including drinking, food preparation, and brushing teeth. When not in use, the Guardian is easy to store. The hollow fibres are meant to be stored wet, but should be sterilised before long-term storage. Once sterilised, it's ready to be stored. The Guardian Purifier provides much-needed reassurance that you and your family can use tap water at home, without the inconvenience of boiling or buying bottled water. This rugged, high-performance purifier is a trustworthy long-term solution for a safe water supply.